If you want to customize quick settings on a Samsung Galaxy A57, then first of all we need to go to quick settings, of course, and we're gonna tap on this pen icon in the upper right corner. In here we can start editing the control center or quick settings. Of course we can customize whatever we have already available. In some cases we can adjust the size of these buttons and even of this expandable area. If you want to have quick access to more buttons from the expandable area, you can easily drag it down a little bit, or you can even make it shorter. There we go. Besides that, we can of course remove whatever we don't need to use. We have the minus button in the upper left corner, so if you have any control or option that is not really important, you can just remove it straight away. Also, here at the bottom of the screen we have add a control, which of course allows you to add new buttons or new shortcuts to the control center. Now you can just simply tap on the button in order to add it to the control center. It is accessible at the bottom of the control center or quick settings, and just like any other shortcut, we can just extend it. We can make it a little bit bigger if you want to. We can change its position. We can place it in the middle, for example, so that is something new. And also we can change the position, of course, of existing sections. So for example, if I want to, I can drag this switcher, this slider actually, for screen brightness all the way to the top, so we can personalize it as we wish. And of course, going back to the control options, you can also press and hold your finger, and then you can drag and drop it anywhere. Now if you want to add something to this expandable area, you just have to drag it all the way to that expandable area. There we go, we can drop it over here. And if I tap on edit button, now I can customize this expandable area. So here we can also remove options pretty easily. We can change their position as well. So there is no problem with that as well. So tap on done in here once you are done. And besides that, we can find additional panel settings here in the upper left corner, where you can, for example, merge the notifications tray and quick settings panel together, so you can revert to that previous style of the notifications tray, where we have access to a couple of additional settings at the top of notifications tray. And besides that, of course, we can, for example, add the media output button and the device control button to that notifications tray if you use the combined notification tray with the quick settings. There is also the brightness control and so on and so forth. You can also, if you prefer to have the quick settings on the left side of the phone, so you have to swipe on the left side instead, if that's what you prefer, then you can enable that option in here as well. And also we can reset quick panel layout if you want to restore the default list of options. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.